Hair loss can affect more than appearance. It can impact confidence, self-image, and everyday life. At Jernigan's Hair Replacement Clinic, every journey begins with understanding your goals and creating a personalized path towards restoration. From the very first consultation, our team takes the time to evaluate each patient's unique hair loss concerns and recommends treatments designed specifically for them. Whether you're experiencing thinning, pattern hair loss, scarring, or overall loss of density, we offer both surgical and non-surgical solutions to help restore confidence. Our services include men's and women's hair systems, FUE and FUT hair transplant procedures, scalp micropigmentation, and advanced hair restoration therapies such as PRP, PRF, exosome treatments, stem cell regeneration, and laser therapy. We also offer facial rejuvenation services including PRP facials, red light facials, and ultra treatments, helping patients look and feel their best throughout the entire process. Every treatment plan is tailored to the individual because no two journeys are the same. But the transformation is about more than hair restoration. It's about renewed confidence, feeling comfortable again, and seeing yourself differently. Every result tells a story, and every patient's journey matters to us.
I've been coming here for about 4 months. Been losing my hair since I was about 17 years old, and it's just getting worse and worse, and finally decided to do something about it. And I found Jernigan's on Google, had really good reviews, and decided to come check it out. I feel much younger, 10 years younger, more confident, and just the service. Everyone here is so friendly. Chastity, my stylist, is amazing and so kind, and highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm a Jernigan's patient. I'm here to tell you about the SMP procedure that I recently underwent. Jared is tremendous in what he does. He's probably the best around. And the 3 sessions went by relatively quickly. I had no complications, although at the outset that said there could be scaling, itchiness, redness, all those things. For me, none of that happened. I'm not saying it's going to be that way for you, but for me, nothing, no complications, no nothing. I, looked in the mirror with a handheld mirror, as anybody would, and lo and behold, yeah, it looked like I was filled in. I would recommend this procedure if you want to just as effortlessly as possible have the appearance of looking like you have more hair. It's going to be enough just to make that subtle difference. My 2 cents is it was all worth it, and good luck to you.
I really enjoy the people here. They're all very nice. My hairstylist is great. Everybody's great. I've had a great experience all the way through.
I'm a 2-time breast cancer survivor with 2 separate rounds of chemotherapy. The second diagnosis and chemo process really changed the texture of my hair. I haven't had any complaints about the treatments themselves. They didn't leave me with any swelling or pain. It was a pretty easy process, and everybody's been really friendly. But most importantly, with my last treatment, I saw a dramatic difference. I can definitely tell now a difference when I'm getting dressed, especially in the sun, hitting the top of my crown. I'm very pleased with the results, and I can't wait to see where it all is at the end of a year,
At Jernigan's Hair Replacement Clinic, the journey is more than restoration. It's from consultation to confidence.